Did this thing go lower? This thing on. Hey guys, today you guys are watching this on January 14th, and I'm Jeep. Hi. Hey guys. I'm not crazy. It was recording. I just ended my vlog. Okay. Hey guys. Today is January. What's today? January 12th. And we're watching our own vlog. Wait, is this our vlog? No, this is not our vlog. Some video. Press the volume button and I ended the vlog. Hey, say hi, Jimmy.
Hi.
Say hi, Henry. Right now I'm eating noodles and what is that? Ew. He's eating snails. You're eating that right now? Oh, who's eating it? Me. Oh, Henry is eating snails.
Yep.
Disgusting.
Tasting
Eat
it.
one. Show one for them. Eat one for them.
I don't know.
Hey guys, round 2 of food.
Hey, it's me. I'm featured.
That's
Chicken.
the plate now.
Yeah, I
We're all
destroyed it.
eating it. Even though I just had noodles. I just ended my vlog.
This is Jeep, guys.
Hi guys.
Okay, so if you want to watch it, wait till Saturday. Okay,
When
guys,
did I
look at
take-
Jeep?
Hi.
You.
Oh, I didn't bring shoes to school today, guys. So, you know. Stop. Hey guys. Just got to the house. Well, my auntie's house. Hi, Donnie. This child is so annoying.
Moon is creepy.
Ooh, I am
Look at the
black.
moon.
Where? Oh yeah, it's really bright. Tomorrow's Friday the 13th, guys. I'll vlog tomorrow. Stop, don't say that. This kid just said, we're gonna die.
Donnie, shark bait, bait. Donnie, shark bait, Donnie. The fake moon is a scary spoon. Full moon, not fake. Full moon.
Cut it.
Oh my God.
Cut it. Why are you looking at me like I'm crazy?
One at a time.
This girl's looking at me like I'm crazy. Hi guys. I'm at home right now and I just got out the shower. My hair is a mess. Sorry, let me fix this. I would vlog it. I would vlog in the living room, but my mom thinks I'm crazy. She thinks I just take these videos to just talk to myself. I'm a baller, guys. Did you guys not know that? Look, I even have my own hoop right on top of my TV. I thought my mom was gonna come in. I'm going to the beach, so I'm probably gonna vlog there. I'm gonna put my phone in a plastic bag so I could look so cool and vlog underwater. I'm fluent and whale. I go like. Guys, it's January
8:45.
It's January 13th. Today is Friday the 13th, and it is currently 8:45. The sun is in my eyes. I need my. Say hi.
Hi.
Bam! See what happens there because they clearly don't want to pay for my things anymore. Vlogception. Okay, bye.
Hey guys, look what I found. Wait, look, they're actually crawling on my hand. Sorry for my ashy hands, but yeah. Look at Tina's. They're pretty big too. Donnie, look. Look, Donnie.
Whoa!
You dropped, guys. We're on the car, on our way
I took all my jewelry off.
to the beach.
I can't
I
take all
just leave my earrings on.
Is that your earrings?
It's really hot. Later, when I get to the beach, I'm gonna put my phone in a plastic bag, so bear with me for the quality. It's okay, it's like a little glare. Hey guys, we're at the beach.
It's really quiet today. There's like no one here. Maybe it's because it's Friday and it's pretty chilly outside.
Really windy, but all I came for was a little tan, so let's see how that goes.
Oh my god!
Hey guys!
You're blind. I can't see anything. I'm so blind. Oh, I see my face.
It's freezing!
I'll push you in there.
Don't push me in!
What's up? I'm Tommy and Jimmy and where's Henry?
I'm Henry from Disney
Hey,
Channel.
we're on.
Noi.
We're hijacking Jeep's vlog. So hope she puts us in the vlog. Peace out. Boys out.
Hey guys, we're now leaving the beach. Right now I'm recording on Tina's phone because mine died. Yeah, it does suck. I can't take pictures, but we're leaving the beach. It's what time? What time is it? Rosie, what time is it? It's like 2 something. 2:18? 2:20 something. Yeah, but oh my god, it's so hot. Well, it was cold and then it became hot, but the water was warm. Then it was freezing cold. Bipolar old Florida. Oh, and today we actually found parking. That's like a miracle. We never find parkings at the beach. I'm running out of breath.
Are you wearing it wrong?
We parked pretty far today.
Exercise, honey.
What is exercise?
What?
Hey guys, we're here at Hot Pot. The whole family.
You got how special.
It's Jimmy's birthday. Jimmy, say happy birthday. Hey. Happy
Yeah,
birthday,
say
Jimmy.
happy birthday on my own birthday. Yeah, that's a nice way to start that off. I'm guessing that we serve ourselves.
I like it.
So I got the kimchi soup and it's really good. I got a clam too.
Look all they want. You don't have to get used to it. You walk outside, they're gonna look at you. You do. You get money, they don't.
Beauty. Straight beauty. Hey guys, we just left Hot Pot and the barbecue place, but I don't like it.
Vlog right here for January 13th.
But I'm full. I like the barbecue. The Hot Pot wasn't so good. They didn't have my favorite soup. So, wait, go my backpack. Look on.
Okay. If you like her video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for future vlogs. And stay tuned for tomorrow's vlog, which will be Jenny's vlog. Bye.
Bye. Jeep out.
Bye.